Okay. Um, that will be my PlayStation. These are my games for my PlayStation, also my GameCube. And that over there that has his tail on it is my book. Uh, if I'm right, Harry Potter. That is my Aladdin case. That is a fork, which I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be there. And those are my friends Fushigi Yugi and Rurouni Kenshin manga. Uh, when I said that he lays on everything, he really does. Take her. Don't you lay on everything? Matter of fact, I take it back. It doesn't have to be mine. It could be anybody's. As long as it's on this bed, as long as it's on an area where he could, what, lay down, he'll lay on it. Say something. Tigger. I'm not gonna push you off of my stuff because I'm making a video about you. But other than that, that's the only reason. Okay? You're not even looking at me, are you? You ignoring me like last time. Can you guys say deja vu?